how to contact Google Play customer care. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can contact the customer care for Google Play account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're having with Google Play Store apps, or if you're having issues with the Google Play balance, how do you want to go ahead and then contact the customer care in order to get the real issue solved? Well, in order to do that, first of all, just launch the Google Play Store application, then tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen over here. So let me just tap on the profile icon. Once you tap on the profile icon, basically again at the bottom you have the option called help and feedback. Then just tap on it. Once you tap on help and feedback, it will ask you what can you help with. So if by default you might not see this option, right? When you just tap on help and feedback over here, you might see this type of interface. So over here it says what can you help with. You have to tap on the contact us button and so on. Just select what kind of issue you need help with. So I'll just select play balance. I'm having issue with my play balance, so I'll just select that. Then I'll tap on next. I'll ask me to select a resources as to which is the best related issue to mine. So I'll just select gift card refund, transfer account content, or whatever else. And once I select that, I'll just hit the option called next step. So over here it will give you some of the popular articles as to how you can fix it, but of course we're not looking for that. So just tap on the option called next step from the bottom. It will give you a contact option, whether you want to chat with them or whether you want to email them. In my case, I already chatted before, that's why I'm not being able to see the option. But if you haven't yet, then in that case you can just tap on the email option, and then you should be able to go ahead and then successfully contact the customer care. That's all it takes to contact Google Play customer care. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.